My name is Andrew Lindner. We are a 10th generation sock manufacturer, making socks in Crookwell, country New South Wales. The thing that I love about our business is we can actually revolve around our family, and that's really number one. But the business itself, we're still using old-fashioned machines. It does require a little bit more input, but it is our point of difference. It's something that you can't easily copy. It is pretty well like an artwork. There's a few of them and that's it. So the latest little venture with Fire from the Bush is that we're trying to take some of our local merino socks and add a bit of special colour to tie in with some of our bush surroundings. Some of the proceeds go towards the Drought Angels, which will lead to a bit of a full circle of we start from the bush and we finish with the bush so that people right along the line can benefit.